Dharma means to live and grow. The principle of being and becoming is dharma. Of late, Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra has given these definitions. This solves all the problems of ideas, philosophy of different dharmas which we are speaking. Dharma is one, God is one, and everything rests on the God, and He is the ultimate. And one is to grow and develop, means to evolve. Evolve means we must be very clear. The duba grass, the Cynodon duclinum, has evolved to become a big bamboo. The small elephant has become to great Oiravata. So on. Means the life is to be evolved. Unless it's not life is evolved, then it is a stagnation takes place, then your returns, bad thoughts come to your mind, you are degenerated, you can't do anything good for yourself and for others. So, in this age, Sri Sri Thakur, the incarnate, the beloved, and only the person has come to inform of man to solve all the purpose. Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra has given a small package for overall development of the human being and for evolution. That includes to take the Satnam, to practice the Namdham, and to practice the Ishtabhuti, and pray for the Lord. And in the morning you have to take one Thalkudi leaf in empty stomach and go for Savasana and do some others. This is a complete package with a small framework, and one is to that, and all are equally very important. To the Namdhyan, to chanting of the names, to do the Ishtabhriti, Sri Sri Thakur has told everything. Then where comes the taking one single leaf of Thalkudi, Thankuni, that is Hydrocotyle asiatica? Long back, the benefits of Hydrocotyle has been mentioned in all Ayurvedic Shastras all over the world. And the plant is grown all over the world. The purpose is that it is useful for all the mankind. Every mankind should take a Thalkudi because it is important for your evolution process. In evolution, you must be clear in your mind, you are clear in your body, so for that the Thalkudi helps. The main activity of Thalkudi, it is one detoxifying agent. When you live and grow, many bad thoughts, many good thoughts come to your mind, and bad thoughts create a lot of problems for you. Suppose you are angry, and the thoughts of anger creates a lot of toxin in your body. You take many food which is not good for your body. So it is to be detoxified. So Sri Sri Thakur has considered this Norvine small plant growing all over the world to take it only one leaf with its petiole. It is very important. Of late, the chemical substances have been identified, the valerian, the brahmic acid, the brahminic acid, and many other things, glucamides, and many other things have been actually identified. And this is the single one. The effect of this Thalkudi is immense. Sri Sri Thakur has named it the nectar. One regularly when takes it, it gives lot of immense the pleasure to man, to mind, and to your body becomes pure, and you proceed in a better path, and you actually slowly revolve to the better perspectives. And this plant actually grown everywhere. We have to take only one leaf along with the petiole. How it works? So with a simple small example, that suppose there is a machine left idle for long period, it is not working. So whenever you grease it, oil it, and make necessary small repairs, and then you start operating, it starts operating. So similarly, in the brain cells, large number of cells are actually remain unused and they are on defunct, and which actually not creating a path for our evolvement and for our evolutions, and not paving us to go proceed forward. So whenever we take this, actually slowly our brain cells start operating, and as if one old plant, old machinery has started functioning. So the first and foremost activity of the Thalkudi or hydrocotyle is to function the old defunct cells and to energize the new cells and to make your longevity very high and make your body pure and create a condition so that you will not be suffer from many of the diseases. Many of the important diseases starting from your heart attack, diabetes, kidney problems, everything is directly or indirectly controlled by this plant. So this nervine training can be taken as dried leaves, as raw leaves, and you can extract the tincture in homeopathic medicines for many these nervous diseases like leprosy and like filaria. All these actually easily cured with this tincture of this plant. And there are many other plants. You can take the juice, you can take the powder, you can prepare ointment and utilize it, because almost all parts suffering from any disease, and mostly the skins and the large number of these nerves, which is very importantly actually working and helping us to go ahead, because nerve is the most important vital systems in our body, and this can actually correct it. But in fact, this Ayurveda science says Vata, Kapha, Pitta, these three things actually important to control your body. This plant, by simple taking a small leaf, its petiole with little amount of gur is sufficient enough, give a nervine tonic and to make your body for all purpose, for functioning of the religious purpose.